Hello everybody, how are you? Happy today. I have finally decided to work on my exposed shelf in my kitchen. Not necessarily to work, but just bring everything down, clean, and give it a full-on different look. And just dust everything up and have the new year start with a clean home. So I just thought I'll do a video so you guys can see how I'm doing it, what I have on my shelf, and how you can sort of like get inspired and recreate something the same. Okay, so I'm just gonna set you guys up, enjoy the ride, clean with me, and I'll see you guys right back soon. Everybody, here it is. It's looking pretty clean and decent to me. I try not to put everything too much in each other and like cramp it up, but I still putting all the things that I use quite a bit. Obviously some of the stuff that is up there I don't use as often, but everything else pretty much I use on a daily basis. I have some of my main food ingredients, I have some water, I have some like my teas, and I like some treats in these bins and whatnot. So and these are my daily dishes, and these are my coffee cups and whatnot. So the whole idea of using a exposed shelf is that you get to use it, but also make sure that it's pretty enough so everybody else who get to see it, they get to enjoy it, and it's still presentable visually. And I think adding plants to the whole thing make a huge impact, especially that my colors are, as you can see, is like whites and golds, a little bit of mint, like the accents of mint and Tiffany blue. You want to like kind of break all of that up with the lovely liveliness of the plants and make it look really fresh and lively. So thank you so much everybody for watching. I am going to go through a little bit of every shelf. Just a little note about the toaster. I have a plug right in front of it, so whenever I want to use it, I'm going to plug it and then hide the plug at the back. I mean, you can never go wrong with SMEC products because they're such pretty things. It's really nice to have them showcased on your counter or something like this as I have. Thank you so much everybody. Happy today. Lots of love. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, let me know what else you would love to see. If you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Lots of love and light, and stay safe. Mwah. Love you guys.